Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days Outfit of the Day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today is Monday and beginning of a new week, beginning of a new series of what I'm going to be fitting this week. Okay, camos. Camos I love. They're like animal print, considered a neutral. Love these. This is a pair that I cropped. I cut the ends off. I have about 3 pairs of camos, and they all are different lengths and different styles. And I was trying to find a pair that fit me better than the other, or a little bit looser that I could cut. These are a little bit bigger, but they fit pretty good, so I just chopped the ends. The belt, I just recently got this belt from Salvation Army, and I love it. It's oversized. As you can see, it has this little loop. You can double loop it. You know the trend that's out with the long strap hanging. I'm wearing this tank top. Tank top is from Old Navy. Spaghetti straps. This black jacket, I think it's New York and Company, if I'm not mistaken. Had it, thrifted it, years. Okay, black flower, just to give a little accent. It's for jewelry. I'm wearing this little dainty. Guys, I don't even remember where I got this from. It was in my jewelry box. But I like it. It's like a starburst. Loving that. Bracelets. Tennis bracelet and my silver bracelets. I'm wearing this ring and this chain thingy here. Loving this. This is trending as well. I'm going to get a silver one, which I'm surprised I haven't or don't have one already. Silver especially, but I'm going to get one. I saw one in Ross. My handy dandy watch. Earrings are these earrings. You've seen these before. And yeah, that is it. Makeup's okay. Went heavy on the rouge a little bit, but it looks good. From the top to the bottom and all in between. So, starting out a new week, guys. Be hopeful. Be positive. In spite of what may happen. I'm learning to do that every day, because every day there's something different happening. But God is good. And I hope you come back. I hope you be good too. Come back tomorrow for the next edition, for the next episode of School Day. Outfit of the day, what I wear as a school teacher. Have a great one, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days Outfit of the Day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today I am wearing this blazer, this tuxedo blazer. I thrifted this about 2 or 3 years ago. It has the satin lapel. It is velvet. It is a chocolate brown velvet cropped. Really like it. I'm wearing this vintage dress. This dress has been out around the 80s. It's got all these beautiful flowers on a dark print. I always like a dark panel with print on top. Here's the back. It has a gathering in case you want to cinch it to make the waist tighter. I am wearing this belt just to give it a little accent. Wearing it low on the hip to give a Western look. Shoes, I am wearing these boots, my cowboy boots today. Today is rainy, very rainy today, but I just wanted to wear these because it fit with the overall aesthetic of the outfit. I'll show you a closer picture of the boots later on. Jewelry, I am wearing this shell choker. I got this from a thrift store years ago. Little starburst, Goodwill, gold earrings. I have this big ring on. My bracelets. This bracelet here I made out of buttons, guys. Elastic, black elastic, and I sewed and glued the buttons on. YouTube show you how to do it. They show you everything. And my handy dandy watch, of course. And this little ring. That's it on that. So yeah, that is it for the total look, guys. From the top, makeup's okay, and to the bottom. And of course, in between, Today is Tuesday, rainy day as I mentioned earlier, but it's okay. A lot going on today, and the day goes faster when you got to teach them a lot. So, this is it. I hope you come back tomorrow for my next outfit for Wednesday. My outfit of today. What I wear as a school teacher. Okay, guys, have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully. Bye. I wish I knew. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today I have this jersey. I thrifted this jersey, and it had the FFND logo on it. I also am wearing this shirt. You guys saw the shirt. It has the sequins on the collar, animal print. I put it in a haul maybe about earlier part of last year, maybe. But anywho, it also has the animal print on the collar, on the cuffs. Each end of the cuffs. I'm wearing these shorts, cargo shorts. Got them from the men's section because I love the fit. They're a little bit looser and not as tapered as some of the other shorts are. At least the ones that I was looking for as far as a Bermuda cargo short in the women's section. I am wearing these boots. These are, I believe, Michael Kors, or I think they're Michael Kors boots. Are they? Put it on the screen. The boots, the name of the boots. But you saw me thrift these at the Goodwill about 2 years ago. Loving these. Nice size heel, very comfortable. You're standing them all day with comfort. As far as jewelry, I have this little star-like pendant. I am wearing this ring. I got this ring from Forever 21. I mean, over 10 years. It could be more than that. But yeah. And this little ring here. This finger, I have this animal print ring just to match with the collar and the cuffs. And I have this little pearl earring here. These earrings, I've seen those before. Makeup's pretty nice. From the top to the bottom and all in between. Today is Wednesday, short day. Short day, and I got shorts on. Okay, but anyway, I'm so glad, thankful that you were able to share this day with me to see what I wear. I appreciate you every week, guys, for coming and checking me out and just seeing what I put together as a school teacher. It doesn't have to be a t-shirt and jeans all the time. It doesn't. And I tell you the truth. If you just decide to break out of your common habit, you can still be comfortable but dressed a little stylish. You'll be okay. And you will see your self-esteem improve. I have to say it's not good, but if it isn't, I definitely believe that it will. So guys, please come back on tomorrow to see my next outfit. Tomorrow's Thursday. And we'll do this again. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day, what I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today, I am rocking this cropped camo jacket. You find them in the thrift stores everywhere. I've seen mostly every time I go in the thrift store, I see them. If you don't find them in your thrift store, like your basic Goodwill, Salvation Armies, which you should, you might want to go to an Army Navy store and buy one, but I doubt it. Eventually, keep looking. Put it on your thrift list, search, wish list, and you'll find one. But I just cut it. I cropped it. I have several, and I have them in different styles. But I also embellished them with these patches, little bumblebee, this military glitter patch there, my little Prada pin here, and on the side, my cross. Yes. The skirt is from Zara. I love this. You know I love wearing skirts over pants, whether they're short or long. Guys, try it. Step out of the norm. Try it. Zara, love the fringe. You know, fringe is in. The pants, got them from the men's section, and they're from Liz Claiborne. Yeah, Liz Claiborne. Have a cuff, zip up front, and again, like I said, the skirt is from Zara. Loving that. The boots, also from Zara. Love this boy boot. Pointed toe, low heel, standing it all day. Underneath, I have this brown tank top. It's just from Old Navy, I believe. As far as the jewelry, I have this little green ring. I love green. This ring here from Ana Luisa. Here's another one, Ana Luisa. This ring I got from, I think, Forever 21 years ago. My handy dandy watch. My normal bracelets on this arm. As far as the earrings, I am wearing my African continent earrings. I haven't worn them in a while. Guys, I got green eyeshadow on. Hope it's not too dramatic. I don't like too dramatic, but it's okay. Just a touch, a tint of green. This Starburst necklace. And yeah, guys, this is it. This is it from the top to the bottom. And of course, in between. Makeup's pretty good. Glowing. My skin is doing really good. And yeah, this is it. This is Thursday. We're making it throughout the week, guys. One more day. And I hope you will come back for that other day, tomorrow, Friday, so you can see what I'm rocking. Okay? I'm hoping, or hope, you had a great week so far. You will end it with a good week. In spite of. You will end it with a good week. So until tomorrow, guys, please come back. Check me out for another edition of School Days. Outfit of today. What I wear is a school teacher. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day. What I'm wearing as a school teacher. Today I am wearing this chambray lightweight denim shirt. On top I have this vest. I've had it for years. It's got some suede, it's got leather patches here, all over. Really, really nice. Really went well with the fit. The pants, these baggy harem pants, balloon pants, they're the rage, the trend, but I've had them for years. These I've had over maybe 20 something years old because they came in style and I kept them in style and I didn't get rid of them. I have several pairs. But anyway, I'm also wearing these boots. I just got these boots not too long ago. Love them. And they're a combat boot, but they're not quite the style of your particular combat boot. They strap up, they have an almond toe shape, which I like, a heel that's comfortable. I can stand and walk in them and all day and be comfortable. As far as the accessories, silver earrings. Oh, my chain fell off. I gotta find it. I had my love necklace on. It must be in the car. I had my love necklace on, guys. You know the love necklace that was out on a rage? Zara first had it out, and then they stopped making it, and then it's like, I found a girl on Poshmark that wanted to sell it for like triple the price, but you can find them everywhere on Amazon. Where did it go? I didn't notice it fell off, but I'll have to find it. I have two, a gold one and a silver one. But anyway, earrings, necklace, yeah, that's it. Watch this ring. Love that ring. This and my bangles. Gosh, that really threw me off, guys. I had it on, just realized it's not on. Okay. From the top to the bottom. And all in between. It is Friday, guys. We made it another week. I hope you like all of the fits that I had for this week. I hope you were making it and styling it and fixing it up. Just making sure you're representing you. And I definitely hope you come back for another edition of School Days. Outfit of the day. What I wear as a school teacher. Kids are knocking at the door. See you later, guys.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew